How long does food poisoning last? What is food poisoning? Welcome to Mark Medicals. We post 2 videos weekly which bring you all latest health tips. Food poisoning is a disease that usually results in vomiting and diarrhea after a person eats or drinks fluids contaminated with certain bacteria, viruses, parasites or chemicals, toxins. The most common symptoms and signs of food poisoning are vomiting and diarrhea. Other symptoms that may occur are fever, abdominal pain and/or cramps. Severe signs and symptoms may include dehydration, blood in vomit or stools, diarrhea over 3 days, and other symptoms. For example, weakness, blurry vision, and an abnormal sensation of the body such as burning, tingling, or numbness. Causes include many things including viral and bacterial strains, parasites, and toxins. If the cause is not from contaminated food, it most likely is contagious. Depending on the cause of food poisoning, the duration of the majority of food poisoning usually ranges from a few hours after exposure to contaminated food or fluid to several days. Treatment of food poisoning depends on the cause. Most people self-care in a few days, but some cases may benefit from specific antibiotic or anti-parasite treatments once the cause is identified. Home remedies to soothe food poisoning symptoms may help speed recovery and may include: rest, drink lots of water, slowly begin to eat bland foods like rice, bananas, toast, gelatin. Avoid alcohol, smoking, avoid fatty and seasoned or spicy foods. Symptoms of food poisoning sometimes depend on which organ system the poison affects. For example, the neurological system may be altered by toxins like pesticides and botulinum toxin. When a group of individuals experiences similar symptoms after eating or drinking similar foods, food poisoning may be suspected. Some people are at higher risk to develop food poisoning. They include children, older adults, pregnant women and people with medical conditions like diabetes, liver disease, kidney disease and anyone with immunodepression. How long does food poisoning last? In the majority of individuals with mild to moderate symptoms of food poisoning, viral and bacterial, symptoms resolve in about 24 to 48 hours and no specific medical treatment is needed. However, if there are any signs of dehydration like decreased or no urination, dry mouth, increased thirst, dizziness, and weakness, blood in the stools, fever, vomiting or diarrhea longer than 72 hours, medical care should be sought. If there is any reason to suspect that a rarer cause of food poisoning is causing symptoms, see a doctor. Thank you for visiting Mark Medicals.